Hi guys, today I'm going to try the wave. So the wave will go from here to like this. The colors I'm using today are white, light blue, sky blue, aquamarine, turquoise, ultramarine blue, Persian blue and black. And all the planes I've mixed with my recipe and silicone. They all have silicone. So what I'm going to do first is cover the base over here white and this part, this edges with black, so that when I'll be blowing them out, then there's coverage on the edges also. So let's get to it. I'll just pour some white first. This is a very thin consistency white because I'm going to blow the paint, so I wanted it to be thin because my hair dryer is not very strong. I'm just roughly spreading the thin white. I've already prepped my canvas. Pouring a puddle of white over here. This is thicker white, so maybe I'll spread it a little bit. Now I'll start putting the colors. Maybe I should put some white here also. Now I'll put some ultramarine blue. So this would be the shape of my wave. I'm trying to layer the colors so that they will react. Aquamarine. Wow, look at this color, it's so yummy. I'll put some turquoise. I'm just going to put a little bit of turquoise because I've seen it destroy paintings of mine, making it all green. Persian blue. Put some black around here. Just a little bit, not much. Just I need to cover these caps so that the paint can flow. And wherever it seems a bit darker, so that the colors blend well. I just hope this comes out well, because this painting is the reason I started fluid art. I used to make art, but I never did fluid art, and the way the wave looked in fluid art was just amazing, and you couldn't create it any other way. Right here, so that the paint can flow. I'm going to put some sky blue because I think that's missing a lot. I'm just going to fill the gaps where the paint is not there, because when you blow and then there are gaps, not really good. I've seen Molly do this, Molly's Artistry, the YouTube channel, and this is inspired by, this is actually her technique which she does. Let's see if it comes out the same. I have doubts in that, because every art form I have made before this, you know what you want to make and it will come close to that. But in fluid art, it will just keep on changing and you never know what's going to happen. You'll plan something and something else would definitely happen. A type of aquamarine also, because there's an undertone of green in the water if you've seen. So you're trying to get that undertone also, so that the effect comes. And more the colors, the better. More the merrier, you can say. Maybe I put it like this, so there's more drama. What do you think?